Want to snag that must-have item without breaking the bank all at once? Then get ready to unlock the power of PayPal's Pay in 3-year secret weapon for smarter spending. First, head to your favorite online store and add those items to your cart that you have been wanting. When you're ready to check out, look for the Checkout with PayPal button selected. You will then be automatically redirected to PayPal, where you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Now, on the payment screen, you might see the Pay in 3 inches option presented automatically. If you don't, look for See Payment Options or a similar link. Then click on it, scroll through the list until you see Pay in 3 inches and select it. You'll be prompted to complete a quick approval process. PayPal will show you your payment schedule, detailing the first payment due today and the dates for the next 2 installments. Review everything carefully. Once you're happy with the terms, confirm your payment plan. Boom! Your purchase is complete, and you've successfully split the cost into 3 manageable payments. You can easily manage your Pay in 3 inches installments within your PayPal account or using the app. You'll receive reminders before each payment is due, so there are no surprises. So there you have it, Pay in 3, making those treat yourself moments a little easier on your wallet. Now go enjoy that item you have been waiting for.